I think we will start. Then at the end of the section, we will again discuss. So thank you, Regis sir, for the valuable contribution.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, we will see. Okay, I think anyone in this webinar can identify this person. Who is this person? You can chat. In chat box, you can mention. If you are able to identify, don't take photo and search it in Google or like that. From your knowledge, you can say. Okay. Some of them pointed out right. So I will come to the answers, ma'am. Who is this person? Who is father of economics? Adam Smith, right, ma'am. Correct. I think most of them are from economics. Good, great. Then father of sir? Okay, father of computer. Good. Most of them got it right. Charles Babbage. Okay, right. I think all of them must know about these both fathers. I think father of economics means Adam Smith. Father of computer means Charles Babbage. So, father of evolution, Darwin. Okay. So anyway, the right answer is this person is Luca Pacioli. He is the father of accounting. So accounting also have one father. His name is Luca Pacioli. He is an Italian mathematician, and he only contributed the concept called double entry accounting system. So that is the basic thing I want to say in the beginning. Okay, this definition. I think all of them know this definition. I think all of them will study this thing in your plus one. Most probably in plus one, you would have studied this thing. This is the most famous accounting. The definition for accounting. Most famous definition for accounting. Okay, accounting is the art of identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing transactions which are of financial nature, and then analyzing, interpreting, and communicating the result thereof. So it is the language of business. Accounting is called as a language of business. So I will ask one question from this definition. Can you say what are the functions of an accountant? Accounting means this is a branch of study of science, and the accountant is the person who does the accounting job. So my question is that what are the functions of an accountant? Father of computer transfer, okay. Recording transaction, okay, fine. Recording transaction, recording is here, correct.
Financial position of your business.
Financial position, good, right answer only, but it will come under last point. Recording and categorizing. Actually, this is actually from this definition itself, we can learn the functions of an accountant. The functions of accountant are identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating the results. So those text that I have bolded, you can study that are the functions of a accountant. So that is the thing. So I will speak about some brief history about accounting profession, but I didn't start from the medieval age or the basic ages. I will start from the 20th century onwards. Means early 1900 onwards. So early 1900, you can see, I think most of them would study that GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. So generally accepted accounting principle will contain what are the things? What are the things will come under generally accepted accounting principles? What are the things will come under? Tell me. Concepts and convention, right? I think Sridev ma'am is very good in accounting. Yeah. Sridev ma'am, can you unmute and say your field of study or your area of interest, or you belong to this profession, or you are a teacher, like that? I think if a accountancy teacher only can say, because those who know concepts or conventions or principles, but that will come under gap means. Oh, Sridevi is a student. Okay, fine. So generally accepted accounting principles. So generally accepted accounting principle contains these conventions, these principles. So all the things will come under in gap. So one more thing is there, like accounting standards is there that we will study later. Then modern era. So we will come to the modern era. Modern era only this thing came. International financial reporting standards. Why international financial reporting standards is important? Can anyone say why it is relevant? International financial reporting standards are because if you want a job in UAE or any multinational companies as an accountant, first basic thing they will ask you that whether you know this concept or not. The concept is called IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard. Why it is very important right now. The specialty of 1991 is globalization. And what our specialty means, LPG. LPG means liberalization, privatization, and globalization. In 1991 only, India opened all the cross borders or all the borders to the whole world. So from that time only, all the things come to in India, as well as most of the things go out, export and import increase like that. So international financial reporting standards means, as we all know, right now, many companies are operating in India, like Amazon is operating in India. Amazon India is there. And we have Flipkart, and we have many multinational companies. Apple also opened one branch or office or the outlet in Mumbai. They opened one branch. So like that, most of the multinational companies are opening their offices or branches or their outlets in India, as well as Indian companies are also opening branches or outlets, factories in outside also. So that is the impact due to globalization. So international financial reporting standards means those who company will operate in India also follow some standards. In India, which authority or which organization or which institute will frame all accounting standards? Can you say? In India, most of them pointed out right answer only. Financial crisis, but inflation rate, economic position. Sridevi ma'am again pointed out right answer. It's ICA. ICA only will set accounting standards in India. So like that, we have international accounting standards also there. So it is also there. So we got to integrate Indian accounting standards with the international. So that for that purpose, international financial reporting standards will come under or will have much priority. So we need to understand international financial reporting standards. Then only we can work in abroad, because they as per the accounting standard means Indian accounting standard 1 will be like that. Like if can anyone give some examples of accounting standards? Accounting standards. Can you give Indian accounting standards? Can you give some examples for accounting standard 1? If you remember, accounting standard 10 is fixed asset, like cash flow statement. Accounting standard 3. So like that. There are some standards is there, but it is not the same standard that is followed in another country. So that is the problem. So integrate all the accounting standards of each country. International financial reporting standards came into the place. So we need to understand what you mean by international financial reporting standards. Then only we can work in multinational. So that is the basic thing. That is the thing. And one more thing is, in the 20th century only, most of the accounting software are popularized. So can you give some names of accounting softwares which is famous in India as well as abroad also, you can say? Tally, yes, most commonly Tally is the most commonly used accounting software. TallyPrime. Right now, TallyPrime is we are using TallyPrime. Previously, Tally ERP 9 were there. Like Tally ERP 9 means we have so many versions of Tally ERP. Like it will start from Tally ERP 5.4. Then can you say? Then next is Tally ERP. Tally ERP 8 is not there. TallyPrime means 10. Tally like that. So Tally 5.4. Then next 6.3. Then 7.2, 8.1, Tally 9. So what is the special? 5.4, right, like that only. Kalpana ma'am pointed out right thing. So we need to, if we add both the digits, means we need to get 9. That is the key behind all versions of Tally. I think most of them understood or knows this thing, I guess. Tally ERP9, TallyPrime and ERP9. Okay, that is the thing. And SAP is also there. SAP is used by big companies. Tally can be used by small as well as big also, it's possible. So ERP means what? ERP, the full form of ERP is Enterprise
Resource Planning.
Correct. In ERP means all the things we can include. In Tally, if you know how to use Tally, means many things we can attach. Like we can add payrolls, cost centers, go downs. Many options are there. So that is the specialty of ERPs. So we can, in a single thing, we can include many things, not only accounting. So that is the specialty of Enterprise Resource Plan. So next, we will come to the 21st century. So in 21st century, only digital transformation came. So in digital transformation means advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, accounting. So what is the specialty of this thing? Means if you open Facebook or any social media platform, you can see some arts related to this artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, or some courses they are offering related to artificial intelligence or ChatGPT or Copilot or machine learning. Like that, they are providing many courses. The coaching academies. Why? Means now is the era of digital transformation, digital era. So now the role of accountant is changed, like advisory role. Now it's came because we previously, what was the main duty of a accountant is, can anyone say what was the main duty of accountant previously? Enterprise resource planning, right, ma'am. What was the main duty? In +1, we will study that thing. Correct. We work 556, but I don't know. Maintaining accounts, correct. Bookkeeping is the right answer. So that was the basic thing that done by the accountant. So right now it is changed. Now it's a more strategical or advisory role is played by accountants. So that is the thing. And data analytics also very relevant in this world, because suppose if you joined in Zomato, think that you are a part of the Zomato company, and the Zomato company decreased or lost their sale or reduced, they are facing the problem with the reduction in sale. So suppose their sale is reducing. So first basic thing they will do is they will analyze the data. They will have so many data, like they will check in this month. Suppose in this is August. So August, how many? We will take the previous month, like in July. So how many people ordered through Zomato, which location, like that they will analyze. So and they can compare with the last year also, last 2023 July also they will compare. So that they will find what are the reasons. Suppose that is the thing. Data analytics is also very important right now. So this is we are living in the era of digital revolution. And the current state of accounting industry means technological integration is a much needed thing. Technological integration means we need to incorporate many technologies in the field of accounting. Previously, with manually, it means book and paper only we recorded many things. So we wrote or we marked or we entered like that. But right now, all of them are using this thing, Tally. If I ask me my case, means I will tell because my father has a shop. He has a shop. So we are paying GST. So the beginning time, tax consultant asked me to give all the name of the purchaser and their value and their tax, and like that he asked me to give. So what I did was I will take all the bills. Okay? I will take all the bills and I will write the separate. I will take another separate paper also. Then there I will write name of the purchaser or the name of the purchaser or creditor. Suppose I will write and then the value, tax, and total, like that, gross, like that. I will write and then I will type it in Excel and then I will give. That was the thing that I did earlier. But after working in a tax consultant firm as a article, then he only asked me to, that tax consultant asked me to, another tax consultant, he only asked me to, why Francis, you can try it in Tally. Then what he did was, he gave me a cracked version of Tally, and from that year onwards, I started typing or entering the whole voucher entry. Actually, in Tally, we will call us voucher entry. So after that, I started entering all things in computer or Tally. So the advantage I got is that, I think, from which time or which period that we will get advantage. Can anyone say? If you follow, your voice is okay. If you follow, or if you are using computer accounting package or computer software for accounting, what is the main benefit we will get? Which time we will get?
We store
As we all,
systematic records that can save the message for long time.
that is there. Oh, good. But which period means, as we all know, we have quarter system in GST: Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Systematic records. Kalpana ma'am rightly said. Systematic records like that. Yeah, that is there. So I'm asking which period it will be mostly useful, because as I said earlier, normally we will submit in during each quarter. It's like we are composite scheme. We are under the composite scheme of GST. So that time we will, after each quarter only, after each 3 months only, we will prepare that thing, and I will give it to the Excel file to that tax consultant. So for the accounting year means which time, which period? As we all know, at the time of financial, what is the financial position of financial statements. So at the time of preparation of financial statements only, this will be March to April, right? So accounting year, correct. April 1 to March. So from March 31st, correct. So April month onwards only, it will be much useful. The reason is that in quarter we will submit each details, but we need consolidated things for the end of the financial year. So from where we will get means, from this simple Excel file, I can't generate all the financial matters related to particular area, but Tally means we can easily generate financial reports. So that is the importance of using accounting software for these kinds of jobs.